Una do my people, I greet una for anywhere in the world wey dey take watch dis my video. My name na Omobolanle Adedeji. I be your pidgin teacher for dis data analytics matter. For other video wey dey for my channel, I don talk about all dis matter wey dey for inside dis home matter. I don talk about clip, font and every other thing, and we don run come inside dis insert matter. For inside dis insert matter, we don even talk about table and illustration. The one wey we wan talk today na im dem dey call chart. If you never watch any of those video, run quickly go inside my channel right now, go watch all those video. And if you never subscribe put for dis channel, na the correct time be dis. Make you sharparly subscribe so that you go dey see all the video wey I go dey sama you for inside dis data analytics matter. Now to start dis chart matter, I go start with the first one wey be say dem call recommended chart. Dis recommended chart na im e dey talk about say Excel don reason dis your data, don reason am say you suppose need dis kind thing. I don click am now, e don dey give us some suggestion. Excel don reason all dis matter say you suppose need all dis thing wey dey for inside here. I go click anyone wey you click at all, click am like dis, press ok, and then e don show for here. See am now, as e don show now, e get some things wey come for inside dis plus one. E get some things wey dey show. If you click, see am now, e get some other thing wey dey show. If you click am out, some things go happen. If you click am out, some things dey happen. If you click am back, see am now, e don come back. I go click am out as I no too need them. Dis one na im dem dey call axis title. If you click am now, e go give you axis title. I no need am. Dis one na im dem dey call chart title. The title of dis chart na im dat one mean na. See am now, e dey there before, but as I click am out now, e no dey again. But I go put am back as e go make sense, wey make your title, make your chart get title. Dis one na im dem dey call data label. Na im be say the data wey form dis one now, na im be dis one now. And then dis one na the grid line. All dis line wey you dey see now, if I click am out now, e no go dey again. If I click on legend, some things go show. As I no wan make e show, I don comot dem. So if I come dis side now, e dey show you all the different thing wey be say you fit do. Na the same thing dey for up for here. You fit click anyone wey you want. Now as I don do dis one show you now, I go come reduce am, come put am for one side. Go back for inside insert. I go come start with all dis one wey dey for here. So for dis one now, if I click on dis one, na im dem dey call column or bar chart. If I open am now, all dis one don show. As dem show now, as I dey click dis one, e dey change am for inside the chart. And I no wan make we change am for inside dis chart. I go come do a new chart. Put, I go select dis data again. I come here, come click any of dis data wey dey here. As I click am now, e don show for here again. I go come drag am come one side so that as I dey edit am, you go dey see as the matter dey go. So I go come sharparly come here, come remove all dis things so that we go see the data well well. I no wan legend. So now the thing dey show now. If I come here now, come dey do any other thing for inside dis thing now, e go come dey change. See am now, e dey change, e dey change, e dey change. So now na im be say anything wey I do now, e go dey affect only dis one. So now all dis thing dem get their own title. If you see am now, dis one na im dem dey call stack column. All of dem get their own name. Under dis one na im dem dey call 2D column. Under the 2D column, we get all dis one. 3D column, dis one dey. And then 2D bar, all dis one dey. 3D bar, all dis one dey also dey for the matter. Now I go come comot for dis one wey dem dey call bar chart and everything. I go come the next one. The next one na im dem dey call line or area chart. Now if I click am now, my data don dey change again. See am now, e don dey change for that side again. Anyone wey I carry dis my mouse go now, e go dey change. E go dey change poof for me. I fit change am go anyone. Now all dis thing wey I dey show you now, e mean many many things for all of us. As dis one dey wey I click am now, e fit no make sense for your own data, e no matter, and e fit make sense for your own company wey be sey if you put am now your oga go see you say dis girl, dis boy e sabi work well well. Now if you never sabi which one dey work for your data, come here come dey try am, try as many as possible. See, if you insert as many chat, e no dey pay excel for neck, e no dey pay am. As you dey try am, you go dey see the one wey dey make sense for your data as you never know am. But if you no wan do dat kind long thing, no worry, I dey for you. I go still sama you another video wey go show you how all dis thing dey matter for each data. Now the next one na im dem dey call pie chart. If you see am now, because our data many, see as now all dis plenty colour don show for am. All of dem, see am now, many many things dey. If you no wan do dis one now, if you no wan do dis one, e get another method wey we go take do am. Watch the next video wey I go show on top dis chart matter. So I don show you pie chart now. The next one wey dey for dis one na im dem dey call hierarchy chart. For dis hierarchy chart, e sef get plenty option. See am now, e don show you some things now. And den dis one na im dem dey call sumbox. Dis one be like pie chart but e no be pie chart. The next one na im dem dey call statistics chart. For dis one now, e get histogram and den e come get histogram wey come get line put for top. E no matter, na you know wetin you ma dey find for inside your data, and den wey you wan show make people see say na dis thing dey for inside my data. The next one wey dey for here na im dem dey call scatter data. Some people dey also call am bubble data. E no matter any name wey you call am, na im good. See am now, as I dey carry am top now, e dey show you different different things wey dis thing fit analyse put for you now. Now if you see am now, as I carry am come dis one now, nothing dey show. Na im be sey dis data wey I get, bubble data, bubble chart no good for am at all. See am now, e no show anything, nothing dey show for inside dis one. Na im be sey bubble chart e no good for dis data wey me I get. I come the next one. Dis one now, e get many things under am. Dis one, the first one wey dey under am na im dem dey call waterfall. See am now, e be like sey water dey fall true true. Dis one na im dem dey call funnel. E be like the one wey Yoruba people dey call aro. As you see am now, e dey show you how the hierarchy of your data dey show. And den dis other ones now, many of dem dey, e dey mean many things. See, as I talk before, some of dis chart fit make sense die for your own data, and e fit no make sense at all for your data. E no matter, try everything. As you dey try am, you go dey see say dis one na im good for my data, dis one e no good for my own data. I don talk dis one finish be dat one. So the next one wey I wan show you na im dem dey call maps. Dis one now, na im dem dey call map. If I click on the map now, e go see wetin go come out now. Make I highlight my data again. If I click am now, e don show you say dis one na the data. Dis data wey dey for dis one na Nigeria data. E don show you the map of Nigeria, come show you where all the data dey for inside the country. So now you see am now, e don show you. Na im dem dey call map. But make I tell you something. If your data no get dis one wey dem dey call region, country, all dis one now, e no fit work for you o. E no fit work for you at all. So now, na im be dis one now. You don see am now as dis one map, as e take show for inside dis one. Now dis one last one na im dem dey call pivot data. If you never watch the video wey I take explain dis one, na im be sey you need go inside my video, sharparly go inside my channel now, go watch all those videos so dat you go understand how dem dey take use pivot chart. Now I go come comot for here now, make I reduce dis one again. So as we don finish for inside dis chart now, we come call dis next one wey dem dey call spark line. Now for dis spark line now, e dey do something wey dey similar to dis chart wey we just do, but for small scale na im dey do am. See am now, if I click dis one now, come here come click dis one, e don dey ask me say wetin I wan analyse, e no know wetin I wan do. So now I go come tell am say na dis one now o, na im you go come analyse put for me now. As I select am now, click OK, see am, e don sama something for here. See am now, e don show you dat thing wey dey look like say na line chart, but no be line chart, but na the summary of the data wey dey for dis line, na im be dis one now. So now to come do for the remaining one wey dey for inside here, you remember our autofill, I go come click here, carry am come here, see am now, e don fill everything wey dey for here now. If you look am, dem no be the same thing. E fit be say dem look alike o, but dem no look alike. If you see am now, dem dey different, dem no be the same thing. Now e don analyse am put for you now. If you no know wetin I do for dis autofill, I don do one video sama you wetin autofill mean. Go inside my channel go watch am if you never watch am. Now dis one now na dem dey call column one. Na the same method wey I take do dis one na im I go do am now. I go come here now, come click dis one now, come click on the column. E don dey ask me the same question, say wetin I wan do. I go come here, come select am. As I do am now, e don show the one wey dey look like bar chart. No be bar chart o, na im dem dey call spark line. Dis one na im dem dey call spark line. I go come autofill again like I do for the other one. Na the same method na im we go take do for the third one wey dey for inside the spark lines. Dis one na the same thing I go do for am. E don dey ask me again wetin I wan do. I go come here come do dis thing, tell am say na dis one wey I wan do o. As I click OK now, e don analyse am put for inside here now. I go autofill again. Na im be say if you see am now, e don sama you all dis thing, say you dey see am now. For here now, e don finish for inside spark line. The next one wey I wan do na im dem dey call filters. For inside the filter, we get slicer and we get timeline. I go come start with the one wey dem dey call slicer. Now dis slicer, e dey useful go. If you see wetin slicer fit do, e go dey sweet you for inside belle. Make I quickly sharparly show you slicer. So as I come here now, I don highlight all my data now to do dis my slicer and timeline. Now to do am now, I gats do wetin we dey call pivot chart now. So I don explain dis one give you. As I no do dis one, na the same thing o. If you click dis one now, na the same thing e go give you. If you click dis one now, na the same thing. The only difference wey dey for dis one na im be say, if you click the arrow wey dey here now, see am now, dis one dey ask you table range, dey ask you external source, plenty things like dat. But for inside dis one wey dey for inside chart now, dis one now, if you click on the arrow down, e dey ask you say you wan put only pivot chart abi you wan put pivot chart and pivot table. For dis one now, I go click pivot chart and pivot table. Now for the other one wey I do for other video, we do am for new worksheet. For dis one now, I wan do am for inside existing worksheet. I go come here now, come click one place wey nothing dey now. I don click am now, you don see am now. So e go come put the thing wey I wan do for inside there. The other one, e open new sheet put am. For dis one now, na for here I go put am now. I don click OK now. E don carry the chart thing come, and e don carry the table come now. But as I never click anything, nothing dey show for inside here now. I go come here now, come click product name. As I click product name, see am now, e don sama am put for here for table side now. I fit come here now, come dey say okay o, wetin we sell well, whether na quantity sold o, whether na discount give o, country o, region o, e no matter. Ma come click the region now. As I click the region now, e don carry am come show you say dis one na north central, dis one na everything. Now I go come comot dis one now, come put am for value. As I put am for value now, see am now, all the value don show up for here now. Na im be say all dis akara for the different region o, na two 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 dem sell for inside the region, na im don show you so. Now as e dey do am now, see am now, e don dey do the table give you. E don give you the table. Now we don get table, we don get all dis chart. Any one wey you fit do, you fit even say you no wan do region again o, say na product price you wan do, see am now, e don put product price give you now. As I do the product price, see now the chart don change. Na so we dey do dis one now. Now remember say na slicer and timeline we wan put now. I go come here come click slicer. As I click slicer now, e don ask me say okay, dis slicer wey you wan do o, na wetin you wan take do am? Na region and na all dis one, e don click am, e don highlight all dis one give you now. Now you fit come say na whether na date o you wan do o, na product name o, e no matter, anyone wey you wan do na im you go come do now for here now. So for dis one now, me I go come click on the discount wey we give. As I do am now, see e don show all the discount. You fit change am if you want, say you no come want dis one again o, na another thing you want o, e no matter. If I click on say 6 now, see am now, I tell you say slicer go sweet you for belle. See am now, e don focus on the people wey dem give 6% give now. E don show am say dis people o, na people wey buy ankara short, people wey buy purse, na im dem give 6% put. See am now, e don show am give you. How many people we give 13% give? Na only people wey buy denim pant we give 13% discount give. E don show you now. See am now. If you wan come cancel all the one wey you don do, you go come here, dis one wey dis red thing dey now, you go come click on the red thing now. E don carry all your data put for here for you now. Now if you wan come put timeline, so you fit come here now, come click on timeline, say na you wan put timeline for here now. So if you click on dis one now, see am now, as I click am now, only product date na im get time for here. So na only am we fit click now. If I click am now, see am now, e don sama me with timeline. See am now, for dis one now, e dey show month. If I click am, I fit click on year. As I click on year now, see am, e don carry am show you say dis data o, e start for 2025 come end for 2030. If you click any of the year, e don show you. For dis year o, na dis thing wey dem sell. You see am now, na all dis thing wey dem sell for dis year be dis one. If you carry am go month again, click January, una no sell anything for January 2027. You fit come any other month o, see am, the month plenty for here, e reach December, you know say all the month wey we dey, and then as e dey carry am go, e dey carry am go new year. See am now, e don carry am go another year. All dis one now, data no dey there. The one wey data dey now, e don show you say dem sell something for dat year now. Na so we dey take use timeline and slicer. Na for here we go end dis video. If you get any matter wey you wan make we show for inside our video, put am for inside comment section, and then I go sama you with the video. If you never subscribe, put for dis